Want to explore Europe's most expensive cities without breaking the bank? Well, you're in the right place. Contrary to popular belief, a trip to Europe doesn't have to drain your savings. In fact, cities like Paris, London, and Zurich are brimming with free attractions. From awe-inspiring museums and lush parks to historical sites and captivating walking tours. So buckle up and prepare to be pleasantly surprised as we unveil the top free attractions in some of Europe's priciest cities. Ah, Paris, known as the City of Love, but also known for its high cost of living. Welcome to Paris, the city where the lights are always bright and the romance never ends. But don't let the reputation of high living costs deter you. Paris offers a multitude of attractions that won't cost you a single euro. First off, let's talk about the Notre Dame Cathedral. This iconic edifice is not just a symbol of Paris, but a testament to the grandeur of French Gothic architecture. While the cathedral went through a devastating fire in 2019, its resilience echoes the spirit of Paris itself. And the best part? You can admire its beauty for free. Next on our list is the Love Wall, located in the romantic neighborhood of Montmartre. This art piece is a tribute to love, featuring the phrase "I love you" in over 300 languages. It's a heartwarming sight that reminds us of the universal language of love. And guess what? No entry fee here either. While we're on the topic of love, let's not forget about the Père Lachaise Cemetery. Sure, it might seem a bit macabre, but this cemetery is more than just a resting place. It's a serene sanctuary filled with history and art, hosting tombs of famous personalities like Oscar Wilde and Jim Morrison. It's a place to reflect, to remember, and to marvel at the beauty that can be found even in the seemingly grim. And yes, you can wander through its historic paths for free. Paris, with its cobblestone streets and elegant architecture, is a city that sparks imagination and invites exploration. Each corner you turn, each street you wander down, you'll find a piece of history, a touch of art, a hint of romance. And as we've just discovered, you don't need to break the bank to experience the magic of Paris. So pack your bags and get ready to fall in love with this city, where the romance is in the air and your wallet stays full. Paris is waiting for you, and we can't wait to guide you through the next city in our ultimate guide to free attractions in Europe's most expensive cities. Next, we cross the English Channel to the heart of Britain, London. Let's dive into the city that is a perfect blend of history, culture, and cutting-edge innovation. And guess what? Some of its most captivating attractions are completely free. First stop, the British Museum. This treasure trove of global art and artifacts is a must-see. Here you can travel through time and across continents, all under one iconic glass roof. From the Rosetta Stone to the Elgin Marbles, the British Museum houses over 8 million works, each with its own unique story. And the best part? You can explore this world-class collection without spending a penny. Next, we head to the Tate Modern. Housed in a former power station on the banks of the River Thames, this contemporary art museum is a feast for the senses. It showcases works from some of the world's most celebrated contemporary artists. The likes of Warhol, Hockney, and Picasso grace its halls. Whether you're an art connoisseur or a casual observer, the Tate Modern is sure to inspire and provoke thought. And of course, no visit to London would be complete without a leisurely stroll through Hyde Park. This sprawling green oasis in the heart of the city offers a tranquil retreat from the hustle and bustle. Here you can revel in nature, watch the world go by from a park bench, or take a dip in the Serpentine Lake. It's the perfect spot to unwind, and it won't cost you a thing. Lastly, let's not forget about London's iconic landmarks. From the changing of the guard at Buckingham Palace to the Gothic splendor of the Houses of Parliament, these historic sites add to the city's charm and require no entry fee. In London, the city's vibrant history, diverse culture, and stunning beauty is not hidden behind paywalls. Here, the city itself is a museum, open to all, waiting to be explored. So, pack your bags and get ready to immerse yourself in all that London has to offer. In London, history and culture come at no cost to you. Now, let's head to the heart of Switzerland, Zurich. A city known for its financial prowess, Zurich is also rich in natural beauty and historical gems that you can enjoy absolutely free of charge. Starting off, we have Lake Zurich. This vast body of water is not just a visual feast, but also a hub for various recreational activities. Take a leisurely stroll around the promenade, soak in the sun on a warm day, or simply sit by the lake and watch the swans float by. It's a serene escape right in the middle of the bustling city. Next, we journey into the past with a visit to the Old Town, also known as Altstadt. This historic heart of Zurich is a labyrinth of narrow, winding lanes lined with buildings that date back to the Middle Ages. Here, you don't need a time machine to travel back in time. As you wander through the cobblestone streets, you'll come across the Great Minster, a majestic cathedral that's a testament to Zurich's rich history. And the best part, it doesn't cost a thing to explore this cultural treasure trove. And finally, for those craving a panoramic view of Zurich, Wettliberg is the place to be. This mountain offers breathtaking vistas of the city and the lake, especially at sunrise or sunset. Hiking up Wettliberg is free, and it's a wonderful way to immerse yourself in Switzerland's stunning natural landscape. Plus, it's a great workout too. But let's not forget about the city's parks. They are perfect for picnics, leisurely walks, or even just people watching. Two of the most popular ones are Lindenhof and Rieder Park. Both offer a peaceful retreat from the city's hustle and bustle, and again, they're absolutely free to visit. In Zurich, you don't need to break the bank to experience the city's charm. From its tranquil lake and historical old town to its panoramic mountain views and relaxing parks, there's plenty to see and do without spending a dime. Zurich, a city where you can enjoy stunning views without spending a dime. But wait, there's more! Europe's most expensive cities aren't the only ones boasting free attractions. Let's take a quick jaunt around some other noteworthy spots that won't cost you a single euro. First stop, the Eternal City, Rome. No visit to Rome would be complete without marveling at the Colosseum. While you need to buy tickets to enter this ancient amphitheater, you can soak in its grandeur from the outside without spending a dime. Just imagine the roar of the crowd and the clash of gladiators. History really comes alive here. Next, we jet over to Spain's vibrant capital, Madrid. The Prado Museum, one of the world's most visited sites, offers free entry during certain hours. You'll find works from European masters like Goya, Velázquez, and El Greco. Just remember to check their website for the free admission schedule. Moving north, we find ourselves in Berlin, Germany. The Brandenburg Gate, an iconic symbol of the city, stands tall and proud. It's not just a beautiful architectural marvel, it's a powerful symbol of unity and peace. You can walk under its grand arches and take stunning pictures, all for free. And let's not forget about the picturesque canals in Amsterdam. While a canal tour might set you back a few euros, you can wander along the canal banks, marvel at the charming houses, and watch the boats glide by absolutely free. Then there's the vibrant street art scene in Lisbon, Portugal. The city is a canvas for local and international artists, transforming ordinary buildings into extraordinary masterpieces. You can explore these open-air galleries without reaching for your wallet. In the heart of Scandinavia, Stockholm's Djurgården Island is a natural haven. It's a perfect spot for a leisurely picnic or a tranquil walk amongst the greenery. And guess what? You won't have to spend a krona. Europe is brimming with free attractions. All you need is a sense of adventure and a keen eye for beauty. So pack your bags and get ready to explore these cities without breaking the bank. Remember, the best things in life are free. There you have it, the ultimate guide to free attractions in Europe's most expensive cities. From the rich history of London's parks to the timeless art in Parisian museums and the breathtaking views in Zurich, Europe's costly cities can be enjoyed without spending a cent. So set off on your European adventure without the worry of breaking the bank. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and check out the link in the description for the best travel deals. Happy travels!